Professor Liu is going to teach you how to do 09 Word 3 projects. First, the project is due on September 27th. So first click on this. Click on the link to send. Alright, at this moment you have 14 days trial file. So you open this course to link to our course. Once you have the access code, register your access code or buy from here. Okay, let me open the course. And you start the course. Alright, and I need you to download instruction file, startup file, and support file. Right, so click this and save it. Okay, now I need you to download it. So 1, 2, and 3. Once you finish, I have it right now, so let me show you. Alright, so this will be our instruction instruction sheet. Alright, so the instruction sheets for this one is Advantia Biotech, and your your activity for this assignment is learn formatting, text, and graphic. It's very important and complicated too. We also need a support file. All right, so next we are going to do is we're going to take our class right here. We're going to take let me see why I don't have. Let me do it one more time. I have it right here. So I'm going to open the startup file. Alright, that's our startup file. Alright, so this is our startup file, and we also have our instruction sheets. Okay, so this is our startup file, and I need to make sure I save it. Okay, the startup file, I need to make sure I save it at the 09 here. I make sure I save it this as _2. Okay, Sam is very picky. You have to have the right right type file name. Alright, so let's do it right now. Okay, so we are doing 2 right here, and that's our instruction. Okay, alright, so you are going to do this work and to learn the formatting, text, and graphic. So as an event coordinator at Advantia Biotech, you are drafting a cover letter and information sheet about upcoming biotechnology conference for your manager, Keisha Ballantyne. It's important because this document is for most likely will be for your investor. Okay, so you need to make it very professional. So now let's open this one right now. This is your startup file, so I'm going to view the startup file here. All right, most companies need to have a cover header file. So we're coming back here, and we're going to go to our letterhead. Okay, So let's click on our letterhead. So right here, I am going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to copy, and I'm coming back right here at this blank space, and I'm going to right click it and paste. But when I paste it, I want to use the source format. Okay, so I paste it right now. All right, so that's your step one. All right, now next I need to have a current date. Okay, using this format. So the current date, let's type is September 3rd, 2020. Okay, now let's continue right here. So we have the date right now. Let's go to the page 2. Page 2, we have a logo right here. The logo was not appropriately inserted. We need to rotate it. All right, so that's coming to our page 2. Page 2. All right, this one I need to close it right now. Let's go to our page 2. Page 2, I have a picture here. Okay, so right here, the picture here, I needed this picture to be rotate to the left. So I click on picture tool. This has all the tool related to editing. How do you editing a picture? And right here, I needed to rotate to the left. That's the second 90 degree. Once you rotate to a left 90 degree here, and also position here, I want it to be top right with square text wrapping. That's right here. Okay, so constantly save it so you don't lose the work you did. All right, so we are coming here now. Next, we are going to learn the way to copy format. So right here, we're going to use the format painter to copy from 7th Annual Conference to hosted by Advantia Biotech. Okay, so that's here. So here, this is more, you can draw more attention. So here, 7th Annual Conference on. So I want the format painter. The format painter will allow you to copy the format. Then you brush over here. So the second line has the same format. This is very important thing here. Now we continue here. All right. So we notice next line, May 10, 12, and we insert a bullet here. So let's delete this one and see what we're going to do here. What we're going to do here is this. We're going to delete the bullet, and instead of, we're going to insert a circle symbol, 183rd. Okay, let's do it right now. So I'm coming back right here at this spot right here, and I'm going to say insert a symbol. And the symbol right here, I want to make sure here, there are a bunch of them, you need to select symbol. So once you select symbol here, you can type 183. All right, that's a symbol. All right, so select that symbol and space. Okay, now we got this right now. All right, so now we got this symbol right here. So that make this thing is more draw out, and I probably need a space here. Okay, now we continue right here. So now I finish. I need to go to the next one right now. Next step we are going to do is this. We are going to change the font size of conference highlights to 16 point. Okay, so that's coming back here and highlight these, and the mini bar will pop out, and this is going to be 16. All right, So we got this right now. So we got the 16 here. Next, from the innovation in biotech, research and application, blah, 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 this entire paragraph. We have quite a lot formatting right here, and we're going to clear the formatting. The way we do this, if you go to home and click on this A has eraser, that means clear all formatting. Alright, so that's clear all formatting right now. Okay, so now we already clear all the formatting now. Okay, let me see. They tell you some information. That's good. Alright, so we got this right now. And next, we are going to go to this picture. Okay, we're going to go to this picture. This picture is now quite clear. It's not very clear. So we are going to make this picture, do a little bit correction here, more brightness, and a little bit more contrast, 40% and 20%, add for that. And the ADA require us to have alternated text for the people who have disadvantage of reading, and they cannot read, so they cannot read the picture, so they will the text, the computer has the reading, will read the people attending the 2020 conference. So let's do that right now. We're coming back here, that's picture here, and you click on picture tools. So these are the tools related to that. Let's make a correction here. On the correction here, I would like to have 40% brightness plus and 20% contrast. The picture is clear, more clear right now. And alternate text right here, we need to type here. We say this, people attending the all right. So now we already have our alternate text right here. Okay. Then we want to save it. All right. Now we can close it. We can close it right now. All right. So next, let's go to page 3. This is our page 3 here. And let's see what we're going to do on page 3. So on the page 3 here, and we're going to add a smart art. And smart art is make your document more interesting. Okay, and we want a basic matrix style smart art. Okay, so that's coming back right here. After this line here, I'm going to insert a smart art, and I want to matrix and basic. So basic matrix smart art. Okay, and hit OK. All right, here, right here. So we are going to type the text here. Okay, the text 1. Press enter. All right. By the way, be careful. Okay, 1 and enter. There's no space. Okay. Then testing. All right. So come here right now. Come here. I ask to enter. So again, if it's hard to do here, you can do shift enter to type, and that will be material. All right, then that's coming back here, and we can do 3 enter. All right, sometimes it's hard, then we just go ahead, shift enter and type medical. All right, and now that's 4, shift enter, All right, so that will be energy. Okay, so that's our smart R, and that's file saving. Okay, now the smart R. Okay, this is our smart R. Okay, so we're going to have more modification here. With the color, it has to be gradient range accent 1 and subtle effect for the effect. So that's coming back right here. First, that's color. Change color, and to here is gradient range accent 1. Okay, and the style here, you want it to be, let me see. Hold on. That's a subtle effect. Okay, so we got what we want right now. Okay, and now file save. Now coming here right now, you notice day 1, day 2, and day 3 is better. The day 3 and you have a dash and May 12. This is more professional. So we wanted to do like that way. All right. So we say, we want the tab to be 6 inches, and write a line. Leader is 2. All right. So let's do it right here. All right. We highlight this here, and we're going to go to paragraph. Okay, paragraph, but it's in the tab, so go to a tab. All right. So we're going to stop at 6 inches. 6 inch. Okay, and write a line, and with a dash, and hit OK. So this will be like this one right now. Okay, that's look much better right now. So we need to continue work on these tables. Okay, so let's take a look at the table here. How about your day 1, day 2 table? We're going to insert another row. On a new row, you're going to type energy research and 4. Okay. Okay. So here I go to another line and insert below. Then I'm going to type energy research. And 4. Okay. Now once I finish, I want the table style. So, okay, let's go to design. On the table style here, table and design here, create table 4 accent 1. Create table 4 accent 1. All right, so that's what I chose right now. So, so day 1, day 2, and day 3 table look the same right now. Okay, then let's go to page 4. On the page 4 here, okay, let's see here. On the page 4, I need a border. Okay, so at the border, I only want top border. Okay, and dash style will be dash. Color will be turquoise, accent 1 darker 25% and 1.5 point. So let's do it right now. So I will page 4. I select dollar city attraction. It's okay. Then I want to go to this border and shading. Okay, on the border and shading here, I want to select the third one, dash 1. Okay. Then the color is let me see, turquoise accent darker 25%. That's good. And 1.5 point, 1.5 point. And I want the top. Okay, I want the top. So sorry, I want the top, and I don't want left and right and bottom. Only top. Okay, so hit OK. Now I got top border right now. All right, so now let's take a look at this picture. This picture, the wording is wrong. So the, was not arranged correctly. So let's see how do we do that. All right, so that pictures the dollars attraction here. You need to flip it horizontally, okay, and change the text to tight. The color turquoise accent color 1. All right, so let's see how we do it. First in this one, and let's go to picture tool, and I need to flip horizontal. All right, flip horizontal. So now dollars is correct wording right now, and the text wrapping here is tight. Not only that, and your color right here, okay, so the color should be turquoise accent color 1 line. That one. Okay, so it will be matched to your title. Okay, so we got this part right now. Then we're going to continue. Okay, so right here in the blank right here, we're going to create a table, create a new table by ourselves. So right here, let's take a look. So we're going to insert a table, and its basic is 2 column 4 rows, so 4 by 2. Okay, 2 column 4 rows, and add the text right here like this way. Okay, so we are going to do it right here, and we're going to insert a table, and it's 4 by 2. Okay, and we're going to type I just tab over. Alright, so I finished that. I better save it so I don't lose the work I did. And I'm coming home right here. Now, next. Alright, next. We're going to fix this submit abstract right here. Okay, so let's see how we do that. As submit abstract here, I wanted to change the shape style to moderate effect red, and apply tight reflection touching on that. Oh, let's do it right here. So click on this and drawing thing. Then we are going to first go to the shape style. That will be red, so that's coming right here. Moderate effect red accent 6. Okay, we got it right now. But effect need to reflection. Alright, reflection and touching. So we got this right now. Okay, reflection and touching. Alright, so we have 2 rectangle. Next, we're going to create a rectangle by ourselves from scratch. Okay, so we're going to insert a shape, a rectangle. It's a rectangle, rounded corner, and type brochure, and make a good size, and also adjust the distance between these rectangle with others, so they have uniform horizontal distance between and vertical thing between. Let's do it right now. Okay, so right here I'm going to come back here, and I say insert. Okay, it's a shape. Okay, so insert a shape, rectangle rounded, so rectangle rounded corner, so right here, and I'm just going to temporary put right here. Okay, then we have to type brochure. B. Oh. All right. So once I type here right now, and I need to look for the thing here, the tool, and the height is 0.6. All right, height is 0.6, and the width is 1.1. 1.1, 0.6 and 1.1. Not only that, the position. We need to make sure the between these and these is they are the same. So you want to do this right now. You want to horizontally and is exactly 2.9. Okay, and you want to vertical between here and that is 0.03. All right, so now once you finish that, then you say save. Okay, now they have the equal distance between the rectangles. Okay, now notice we wanted to have the same shape like this, so we're going to use a home and format painting. Then you're going to click on this. So your brochure and registration has the same format. They both have a same color and reflecting, and then we almost finished. We wanted to go to review. Your last step is always review. And spelling check here right now. Advantia, that's a name, so you need to ignore all. All right. Biotechnological. Okay, so we are just going to here, and that's it. All right, so once we finish, make sure you save file, save. All right, so I finish right now. Then I have to go back here. Okay, continue and upload it. Okay, so it's number 2, is that right? Where's that right now? Oh, right here, 2, and open. All right, so ready to submit, so I better say submitted. Okay, so I submitted right now, and I'm going to view my support. All right, so my report will be into your folder, so make sure you put in your folder. All right, so now you're going to view this right now. Oh, I got 95 out of 100. Let me see what's wrong. I did it. Clear the formatting. All right, so I did not clear. I probably check it, and I check it. I did not clear. So when you do this one, you make sure you clear this. Okay. So anyway, I finished this demonstration of video. I hope you like it.